Real quick before you guys watch the video, I just wanted to throw in these couple clips. This is some more recent footage of my riding towards the end of the season this year, and as you can see, your boy's killing it on both bikes, but that way you guys don't think I'm full dookie at riding. So yeah, this video is kind of some old footage, but enjoy.
Damn! Grom squad, brother. Oh my god. Scott is ridiculous. Holy I just slammed down so hard. Okay, I might need to take a break real quick.
You good?
Ow. 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 Oh boy.
Did you whack yourself on it?
Oh, so badly. It sounded like my front tire exploded. Oh. I gotta check this thing real quick. Ow. Oh, my balls.
Front tire should be fine.
Yeah, tire's fine.
You can hit it so freaking hard and it won't do anything.
Oh my god, hitting the scrapes, brother. Hitting the scrapes, brother. Scott, speed up! Oh, killing it. Oh, jump to the sea. What the fuck? So good, bro. No! He's gonna hit me in the eye with a rock. Killer, brah. All right, let's get some clips of Scott. Let's see what he can do. Bruh! Fuck you, man. So good now on the Grom.
Lots of practice. So much more fun. I finally figured out how to use the handle.
Dude, I'm trash on the Grom. I don't have enough seat time on this thing. Hell yeah, bro. I didn't know these roads even existed back here. Damn, bro. I just got the sit downs. That's all I got. That's alright, though. We're killing it still. Shredding, bro. Shredding, bro. Shredding, bro. Let's see if we can pass Scott in a wheelie. Fuck yeah, dude. Scott's turning right. Right? Scott? Yup. These roads are fucking amazing. Fuck yeah, we're turning. Oh, the gates are open too. Oh, thank you, Legacy Ridge, for your stunt privileges. We'll just come up here and film Scott. Dude, the handbrake is killing it right now. I gotta get one of those setups. It's probably much easier to turn in a stand-up versus, you know, doing sit down. What do we got here? Is he trying to do some circles? Some circles? Fuck yeah, dude. Dude, oh, tighter than I can even turn, bro. Tighter than I can even turn, bro. What the fuck? I can't even turn that tight on my Grom without touching pegs. What is happening right now? Yup. Oh, shit. Woo! I'm just parked real quick. I'm just parking. Oh my god. No, I killed it. What the fuck? Dang, bro. Crazy. You know what they want to see is a stand-up circle wheelie in their cul-de-sac. Yeah, fuck yeah, dude. Get. Yup. Fuck yeah, dude. Fucking circus act is in town, bro. What the hell? Oh my goodness, we're slowing down so much right now. So much control in third. So much control in third. No! Oh, I dropped it. That's all right. Woo! That was close. Oh my god, one-hander in a turn. Okay. Dude, one hand in a turn?
I had to wave.
What the fuck?
People don't like the wheelie.
Skill. Dude, just killing it. Yep, that third gear, bro. Nice and smooth, nice and smooth. Got to keep your balance with these Groms. Scott's not slowing down too much though. Scott, you're on the wrong side of the road, bro. What are you doing, dog? Oh my god. Oh, I lost it. Huh? Woo! What? What?
There used to be a no trespass.
Dude,
sign.
when you off-road your Grom more than your 450,
It's just a better bike for off-road.
dude.
For beginners. For beginners.
Yeah. Ah, dude. Slam your front end down. This is crazy out here. I didn't know there's this much like forest out this way. Oh, pegs are touching the ground. We're good. We're good. Oh, he's smashing now. Oh, it's a road race now, bro. Yo, where are we?
I have no idea.
Ah, shit. We have to work together.
We definitely trespassed. Wow. I don't even know.
Not on purpose.
That trail's kind of sweet. Alright, I guess we'll use the hand gate.
Oh shit! I'm going through here anyway. Up, 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 up. Huh. You gotta close their gate, you know, gotta be respectful, right? Oh god. Oh no! Oh my god, that sounds so horrible. Oh my god. So good, dude. Woo! Shit! Oh shit! I can't do that. Shit. Ah! Oh god. Woo! Ah, the stick. The hill climbs up this way if you want to do that.
Yeah, have you seen the waterfall over there?
Ah! Oh shit. Oh, that was my exhaust. Dink. Yeah, hit it. Fuck yeah, dude. Just launch this thing.
About a 110 maybe.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, Mike, like that one dude has is street legal if I had one of those.